Welcome back to the channel. Now I'm just out doing some service work, but just want to tell you guys the MAF sensor, mass airflow sensor on many cars. There is the new for us new Lexus. Here we see on most Toyota Lexus and most other cars you have a sensor called MAF sensor. It's called mass airflow. Most of them, in this case, I can guarantee, is checking how much air is getting in from the air filter and into the engine system, coming in here and going through this sensor and in through the engine. This sensor needs to be cleaned. Here we have often this is, my fingers are not strong enough. There, managed to move it away. This sensor is only held with 2 small screws. I just have to don't lose it. Then this sensor is loose. What you can see in this, we have the sensor. Let me hold it so you can see. We have one sensor part here that as I understand is the one taking the pressure, air pressure passing by, and it make it move or not move. Then up in here down here we have some threads that is checking the temperature. And then they get dirty. This one is supposed to be shining clean, and the other out here is supposed to be a completely different color. So when they're dirty, they can give wrong measurement, and that can give wrong information to the ignition and how much gasoline it's put into the engine and everything, timing and everything. So just cleaning them up. They say you should use a special spray for cleaning MAF sensors. I'm sorry, I can't get it. They say on this side, on the MAF sensor, is more natural color, is some brownish plastic in the top. On this side is completely black. Now I cleaned off. I use brake cleaner that many say you should not use because it could leave some residue. This one have worked perfectly on Celicas and Camrys and everything. Also the sensor down here. I take the temperature. Need to try to clean out. Now I see the sensor out here is supposed to have a color, a brownish see-through color, and the metallic is supposed to be clean. Now it's clean. Now I have to be sure that this is dried up before I put it in and it's starting to start up. Also looking over the rubber seal around here, that one is not ruined, because then it's getting wrong information. And this one looks nice. Just have to wait a little and then I can just put it in again. Just leave it on the top of the engine. Yeah. So this brake cleaner is this brake cleaner thing is going up in the air and atmosphere very fast. Since we are in Norway and things, we have Bildilla Magasin, a Swedish company that I've been using for this. I've been working fine. But if you can get some MAF cleaning sensor spray, I can guarantee some other place in the world that is more normal to get. Here is not. Here is just difficult. Yeah, then the MAF sensor I've been standing for a little while. Looks completely dry. Just put it back. Not sure I can get right with the screws. I don't want to use those screws. Just screw it back in. Not so hard, but have to go down so the rubber seal is sealing around it. Yeah. Just put the connectors back. There. No. I have checked and cleaned the MAF sensor. Very, very simple. Not the most perfect will of course have been if I get the right spray, MAF cleaner spray, but I don't get it, so this is the solution I can get. Yeah. Then I have changed the filter. And for people, when you change the filter on all Toyotas and things, the Land Cruiser have done it. I have it on the Camry, the Celicas, and many videos, just to show you where this one is. It's the same, have been on all those types, looks the same. This one just have a rubber on the top here, but I have many other videos with this, so you can just look at the channel and look for videos with MAF. MAF, MAF, mass airflow sensor. So then that should be finished. Hope you get help by the video or videos, since this is going to be one just about MAF and then one about changing filter and cleaning the MAF. So if you like the video, please put a like, please start subscribing to the channel. Please put some comments, and if you have some other information thing would have been smart for me to know about this car, please tell me. If you have some question, maybe I can help, please write them. So thank you, please come back.